Okay, so I got a unit heater down. Actually, I got a few unit heaters down. I got one, I don't know, it's a big pole barn. Kids play out here. I already checked that one. That one's got a bad board, but another company was out and removed the rollout, removed the limit, and they couldn't figure out they weren't getting voltage to what they needed to get voltage to. This one, he said, start and run half the time. That one's up there. Just clean the flame sensor on that one. But he's got another part of the pole barn back there. He's got a camper back there, and, you know, a bunch of other stuff. But he's got a 150,000 BTU heater up there he wants hooked up. I told him there's so much heat up here, just put a fan in the wall and blow it in there, because he said he was using a fan last year in the doorway and it heated it just fine. So I told him, I go, instead of hooking up, running gas line, spending all the money for the gas line, hooking up the heater, just put a fan in the wall. We'll run electric and what you want to call it, and a line voltage thermostat, and we'll just run the fan off the thermostat like an attic fan. We got another heater here. This one is not firing. Let's see. There you go, unit heaters are in the best spots ever. Let's see. Blinking twice. 2 flashes. Flashes. Two flashes. Lockout. Failure. Failed ignition. Oh geez. Oh, my bag just fell. Bag just fell. Let's see what happens. Well, let me go get a meter. Straighten my bag up. See what this thing does. Is the gas on? The gas is on. Yes, gas is on here. Gas is on here. Let's see what happens. See if this thing even sparks up. Oh, this is like a Granger heater, Dayton. I'm gonna make sure the thermostat's up. I don't know where the thermostat is. I gotta find the thermostat. Hold on. Alright. Thermostat. Turn it on. See. No lighty lighty. Voltage to my gas valve. Let's see. Dude, what is up with this thing? Thermostat. It's got one of those crappy round electronic white thermostats. Checking for voltage at my gas valve. I got a feeling this is going to be a control board. It's not doing what it should be doing. Let's try it again. Turn it back on. Shit, this thing keeps on flashing number 2 even when I reset it. Went to fire once and that was it. Well, let's see what happens. There's going to be a big piece of junk and not do anything. Give me a second, I gotta get this thing reset somehow. I got a feeling it's bored. Let's try it again and see what it does. Still, I reset it. I let it sit off for like 30 seconds. Comes back on, still flashing number 2. Nope, don't want to do shit. This is a spark ignition. I wonder if I plugged the gas valve back in and it died. This is a spark ignition. I got one of those all sparks on the truck that White Roger sent me that I haven't had a chance to use yet. I wonder if it'll work in this application. That would be wonderful. Let me go see. Not sure. Now it wants to try for some reason. What? This thing is really goofy, really intermittent. Start it up again. Nope, it's still blinking. It's bullshit. Hasn't even went for a trial of ignition and it's already blinking lockout. Let me see, let me plug this. That's weird, I plugged the gas valve in. Plug the gas valve in, the thing quits. I got a short gas valve. I short the gas valve on the board. Interesting. almost looking like a bad board. Could be a bad gas valve too. But as soon as I start it up, it's already in lockout. See the light back there, blinking 2 flashes. 2 flashes, lockout from failed ignitions. Haven't even tried yet. What, is it gonna blink? What's it doing? I don't know if I get a short somewhere. Already on lockout when it first starts up. Let me see if I got one of those boards on the truck. No, the Allspark won't work. So I am thinking, watch, plug in, shut down. Very strange. I think I got a bad control board. Oh, now it wants to light, dude. Well, I know I don't have a bad gas valve. It's that control board that's bad. Gas valve's good, control board bad. Real intermittent. That's real intermittent shit right there. Gotta love that. Shut it off by the gas valve. Let's see if it turns back on. Very strange. Well, let's get the flame. I'm going to clean the flame sensor up and see if the thing starts back up. Let's try it again. I got the flame sensor cleaned up. Blinking like it wants to go. Son of a gun. One thing I did notice though is that I'll shut off the gas valve. The gas valve doesn't shut really quick. I'm gonna end up replacing the gas valve and see it now. I don't know, man. I'm gonna end up replacing the gas valve and the board on this thing. Yeah, there it goes again. See what it does. I don't like the way it shuts off so slow. It's like almost that gas valve's like sticky. Well, I'm gonna order a board for it. I'll change the gas valve out first and then see how it acts. Then go from there. Because I gotta order this board, another board, the exact same board, And I got those gas valves I carry on the truck. They're just simple Goodman gas valves I carry on the truck. You don't need anything, let's say, specific. Let's put it that way. So let me button this back up. Well, got to order a few parts on that thing, and that one was really intermittent, so I'm thinking that's the control board. It's not the gas valve, it's the control board, but I'm going to take a gas valve just in case. Well, I do have them on the truck. They're just little. I buy these gas valves from Johnstone, and they're dirt cheap, and they work on anything, kind of anything. So we got rollout limit and a control board on the other one, and a control board on that one. I didn't get to film the other one. I didn't think about grabbing the camera. So we'll get those parts ordered and get back out. But I was out in the middle of nowhere too, in a pole barn, big pole barn. So, all right guys, you know what you need to do. Like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.